Hi, I'm Leena Jahan, lead ACCA trainer at Edge Education. Today, I'll walk you through ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants Workshop. Let us begin with the agenda. The agenda has 10 items, starting with Introduction to ACCA. Next, we'll see the benefits of ACCA designation and the career options that awaits ACCA holders. Next, we will discuss the eligibility criteria required to start your ACCA journey and the steps for achieving the certification. Then, we will perform a comparison of ACCA with other professional courses such as CPA and CFA. Next, we will look at the challenges that students face during the studies and how to overcome those challenges. Finally, we conclude with Edge course offerings and trainers profile. Let's begin with the introduction to ACCA. Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, ACCA, is a not-for-profit organization formed in the year 1904. ACCA is the world's leading professional chartered accounting body offering the Certified Chartered Accountant qualification, which promotes principle-based regulation and actively seeks to enhance the value of accounting in society through international research. Now, let's see how the ACCA designation can benefit you. Here, I'll walk you through 8 major benefits of obtaining the ACCA qualification. Starting with global recognition. If you are looking for a global recognition, then ACCA is the answer. This 100-year-old qualification is truly a globally recognized qualification valued in 180 countries with 98 global accounting partnerships, 8,500 approved employers, 200,000 members, and 550,000 students across the world. Moving to cost effectiveness. ACCA qualification is an economical career option that combines globally acclaimed knowledge and expert skills at affordable prices. The technical and management skills acquired by candidates during the program enhances the career prospects of the members at a cost lower than university degree. High flexibility. Unlike other careers, ACCA is highly flexible when it comes to entry requirements and study options. This professional qualification can be pursued by candidates who have completed the A-level qualification or above. ACCA also gives the candidate the freedom to complete the qualification in 10 years from the date of registration. High demand among global employers. Employers look for accountancy professionals who can understand the financial needs of the organization. ACCA incorporates an array of skills and competence that individual can learn from, with syllabus which covers a broad range of topics. That includes law, taxation, audit, financial reporting, management accounting, professional ethics, etc. This increases the demand of ACCA members and improves their career prospects. Moving to additional programs and certifications. Candidates who complete certain exams along with ACCA program can obtain additional qualification and certifications such as BSc from Oxford Brookes University, MSc from University of London, MBA from Oxford Brookes University, Diploma in Accounting and Business, Advanced Diploma in Accounting and Business, Certified Accounting Technician, and the list goes on. Joint Examination Scheme. ACCA has 14 joint examination partnerships globally, where ACCA works with national professional accountancy organizations. Under this partnership, students that register with both partner PAOs and simultaneously acquire the qualification of both membership bodies, such as UAE Accountants and Auditors Association, Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Greece, Institute of Chartered Accountants of Jamaica, Malta Institute of Accountants, and 10 other professional bodies. Strategic Partnership. ACCA has signed a long-term strategic partnership agreement with UAE Accountants and Auditors Association, Chartered Accountants Australia and New Zealand, CPA Bulgaria, CPA Hong Kong, CPA Malaysia, and many other societies where the eligible ACCA members can obtain membership of professional bodies. Conditions apply. ACCA Careers. ACCA Careers is an online employment platform that connects global employers with ambitious, talented financial job seekers for over 20 years. Wherever you go in the world, you will get global support. The ACCA candidates can easily access the job opportunities that are available in the area at your fingertip with the help of ACCA Careers. As discussed, these are the 8 major benefits of ACCA qualification. Now, let's take a look at the job roles, designation and companies that awaits you after obtaining the qualification. We have highlighted few job titles which are popular among the candidates who seek this qualification. As I mentioned earlier, these are few samples of job titles and companies. Of course, there is an extensive list for you to go through. And that brings us to the eligibility criteria for starting your ACCA journey. Candidates can start their journey with ACCA if they have completed the level A grade with 65% in English and mathematics or accounts and 50% in any other 2 subjects, which is considered as the minimum entry requirement. If the candidate do not meet the minimum entry requirement, then the candidate can join the ACCA by first completing the Foundation in Accountancy FIA program. If the candidate holds additional qualification such as a relevant degree or a professional qualification, then the candidate can start with the graduate route, where the candidates can claim exemptions from some exams based on the previous qualifications. Now, let me take you through the pathway for achieving the designation. The candidate will be able to use the ACCA letters after their name and call themselves an ACCA member by passing the 13 papers and completing the Ethics Professional Skill module along with 36 months of practical experience. Let's have a detailed look at the ACCA pathway. The 13 papers are subdivided into 3 levels: Applied Knowledge, Applied Skills and Strategic Professional. Applied knowledge level mainly focus on providing an introduction to finance and accounting, which also helps to develop the essential understanding of techniques in accounting, which consist of 3 papers: Business Technology, Management Accounting and Financial Accounting. Applied skills level. This level builds on existing knowledge acquired during the applied knowledge level. This exam helped to develop strong practical finance skills required to function as a professional accountant in any industry or sector, which consists of 6 papers: Corporate and Business Law, Performance Management, Taxation, Financial Reporting, Audit and Assurance, Financial Management. Moving to Strategic Professional level. This level mainly focuses on developing the strategic and leadership skills to flourish in future leadership positions. This level comprises of 6 papers, of which 2 papers are compulsory: Strategic Business Leader and Strategic Business Reporting. Among the 4 optional papers, every candidate needs to choose 2 specializations, and the options available are Advanced Financial Management, Advanced Performance Management, Advanced Audit and Assurance, Advanced Taxation. Moving to the next criteria in the pathway of obtaining the designation: Ethics and Professional Skill module, EPSM. This module is an essential part of the ACCA qualification, which helps to increase your employability by considering realistic business scenarios. Once the candidate completes the EPSM, ACCA awards the candidate with Diploma in Accounting and Business and Advanced Diploma in Accounting and Business certifications. Moving to the final criteria in the pathway: Practical Experience Requirement. To satisfy the PER requirement, the candidate must obtain 36-month supervised experience in relevant accounting or finance roles, and complete 9 performance objectives. Now we have gone through the overview of ACCA pathway, and that brings us to the steps for achieving the certification. Registration and preparation in 4 simple steps. Register for ACCA online at www.accglobal.com. Pay the initial registration fees and examination fees for the paper you sit in. Prepare and study for the examination. Pass all the 13 papers within 10 years time limit. ACCA exams are offered in 4 windows in a year, specifically on the first week of March, June, September and December. All exams are computer based with a duration of 3 hours and 15 minutes. Moving to examination format. Applied knowledge exam consists of multiple choice questions. Applied skills exams have a mix of multiple choice questions and constructive response questions. Strategic professional exams consist of constructive response questions. The examination fees. On registering, the candidate must pay a one-time registration fees of £89. As mentioned here, ACCA has 3 fee structures and deadlines for these exams, which is categorized as early entry, standard entry and late entry. Moving to the exam centers, ACCA has more than 400 exam centers around the world. Apart from the exam centers, ACCA has also introduced remote invigilated exams, offering increased convenience, flexibility and comfort. Moving to comparison of ACCA with other professional courses. Starting with ACCA and CPA. ACCA qualification is recognized as Global Chartered Accountants, CPA as the US Chartered Accountants. ACCA can practice work globally, whereas CPA can practice work only in the US. The minimum entry requirement for ACCA is an A-level certification, and candidates requires a bachelor's degree to start CPA. ACCA qualification can be completed in 18 to 24 months, whereas CPA in 18 months. Now, let's have a look onto the comparison between ACCA and CFA. ACCA exams are governed by Association of Chartered Certified Accountants UK. CFA exams are governed by CFA Institute USA. ACCA members are experts in the field of finance and accounts. CFA chartered holders are experts in the field of investment and portfolio management. The minimum eligibility criteria for ACCA is an A-level certification, whereas candidates can start the CFA in the final years of bachelor's degree. ACCA can be completed in 18 to 24 months and CFA in 24 to 36 months. Now, let's move on to the challenges that ACCA students face while preparing the examination. How will I read, understand and correctly answer 1-mark question in 1 minute 40 seconds? The global pass rate is 40 to 45%. What are my chances of passing? I need to target 50% to pass. That is tough. Different study materials, which one should I follow? How can I apply book theories to questions? How can I apply the abstract concept to practical solutions? Balancing work with studies is challenging. How can I achieve ACCA membership and the performance objectives? Now, let's see how you can overcome those challenges with EDGE. 1 minute 40 seconds is not a concern. You will develop speed and accuracy with EDGE progress trackers, classroom examples and online portal questions. We understand that the pass rate are around 40 to 45%, which is why EDGE offers pass protection for candidates. In case if the candidates couldn't pass, EDGE allowed you to retake trainings at no additional cost. Terms and conditions apply. EDGE provides revision courses and mock examination which aim to increase success chances. If you are worried about the different study materials, EDGE study books condenses the required curriculum into a comprehensive guide. To help you understand the concepts better, EDGE classroom trainings include solving examples in the class. EDGE trainers hold practical experience and can guide candidates on application of theory to work environment. With EDGE flexi training schedules, working professional can balance work and study. EDGE provides guidance and support to candidates to acquire the membership and performance objectives. The final item for today's agenda, EDGE course offerings. EDGE Education is a training center in United Arab Emirates, providing training for professional courses such as Association of Chartered Certified Accountants ACCA, Chartered Financial Analyst CFA, Certified Management Accountant CMA, Financial Risk Manager FRM. EDGE offers the ACCA program in 4 formats: professional, revision, combo and online classes, where you can choose face-to-face sessions or online session based on your convenience. Professional class offerings. This course is led by full-time ACCA certified faculty, 70 to 100 hours of instructor-led classes, 20 to 30 hours of revision classes, one-to-one doubt clearing sessions, BPP study materials and EDGE special notes, progress tracking assessment conducted on a weekly basis, pass protection scheme, access to study rooms. Revision classes. This course include exam-focused revision classes, question-based sessions, doubt clearing sessions, final mock exam with review, and access to study rooms. Combo offerings, which include 70 to 100 hours of instructor-led training, 20 to 30 hours of revision classes, question-based revision classes, 3 hours one-to-one doubt clearing sessions, BPP study materials and EDGE course materials, video recording of the classes, final mock exam with review, progress tracking assessment, pass protection and access to study rooms. We also provide online and customized personal trainings. I hope you find this workshop helpful and provided you with the necessary information to get started with your chartered accountancy career. If you have any other queries or wish to know more about our courses, please contact the EDGE Education admin team. You can speak to us on 0436 88966, WhatsApp us on 0505454 drop a mail to info@edge-education.com or visit our website www.edge-education.com. Thank you.